Hey guys, it's Karan here from the Geek Central, back with another episode for you guys. So, in this episode, I'm here with some tips to enhance your iOS experience. So, let's get started. So, while texting, you might have seen those fancy emoticons and you might have wondered how to get them. So, let's show you. We head into settings and we go into general. After going into general, we need to go in keyboard. After we do that, we need to go to international keyboards, and I've already added emoji here. I'll just remove it and show you how to do it again. So add new keyboard and we search for emoji, and there it is. We select it, and now when we head back in, so um, there it is, and you can use it. Okay, so now I'm going to tip you on improving your browsing experience. So, commonly when you're on a website with lots of content, you need to slide up and down, slide up and down. But basically, to save the trouble of sliding up again, you can just touch the bar on the top to just get yourself on the top again, and that's it. You save yourself some time sliding up and down again and again. Okay, so now I'll be teaching you how to delete an email. So when we head into the email application, most of us see a box like thing with an arrow above it, and that's the archive option. There's no option for deleting. However, if we head into the settings and we go to mail, contacts, and calendars, uh, we we can select whatever email account we want to add the option to, and there'll be an option archive messages. We just need to turn it off, and when we head back into our mail application, the box with the arrow is gone and there's a dustbin. That's your trash sign. So okay, so now the feature I'll be telling you about is a very unknown feature to people. It's very uncommon amongst people. So I'll just show you what it is. So the iOS operating system comes with an built-in dictionary. So if we just type in hello and we select and highlight it, we get an option. We get an arrow like thing, and when we touch it, it shows us an option define. So when we tap it, it opens a dictionary, built-in dictionary, and gives us the definition. This is built in throughout the whole iOS. You can type in anywhere and you will get the definition of what you have typed. Okay, so the last feature of this video is by far my most favorite feature of iOS. So this is undo and redo. So if you just type hi, this is test. If you just type it in, and if you just want to undo what we just did, we just shake the phone and it brings up an option undo typing. We tap it and it's gone. If you want to bring it back, we shake it again and it becomes redo typing, and it brings it back. I don't know why many people hate this feature, but it's really useful and it's helped me a lot. So hope you guys got to learn something, and please give this video a thumbs up.